Have you ever wanted to create an immersive shopping experience for your customers? 3D images allow your customers to take a 360-degree view of products like in real life. This significantly increases customers' engagement and confidence, leading to higher conversion rate and sales. Welcome to our video tutorial on how to upload a 3D image in Foxify. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to showcase your products using stunning 3D visuals. Get ready as we show you the simple steps to display 3D images on your Shopify store. Let's dive in.
A theme can be considered the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. And we proudly present to you Zest, a solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility, optimized for conversion and packed with built-in features, and especially built with the success of mobile commerce in mind. Your store is generated by clean code, tested and approved by Shopify. Ready to grow your business using the most beloved theme. And get support from our dedicated team. Join the mobile revolution with Zest.
Now let's get back to the tutorial video, how to upload 3D image in Foxify. First, you need to make sure your 3D image file meets Shopify's requirements before uploading it to your online store. We will go to the Shopify admin and open Products. Locate and select the specific product you want to manage. Then add 3D image files for your products in the Media section. It's all finished now. You should note that 3D images of the product will not be displayed in the Foxify page builder. However, rest assured that they will function perfectly on the live store. By following these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly incorporate captivating 3D visuals into your Shopify store. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us via live chat. We are always ready to help. If you like our video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you won't miss any other future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.